Let's get down to the New York Stock Exchange, visit with our friend Jim Cramer. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, guys. How you doing?
It's good to see you. Let's start with Citi. What's your take?
I like Citi. I mean, we have to back out the trade web. I just want to point that out immediately. That's just this annuity that's going to keep growing. Great IPO. Look, I think that the efficiency ratio is rather remarkable here. Much better than I thought when Mike was on Mad Money. I also think that we have to like the fact that even though NIM is down, they did take a lot more money in. So that's not as consequential. Credit cards, much better than I thought expected. Look, all the trading, all the investment banking had already been discounted. The buyback increased. They just keep taking in shares, raise dividend, well above tangible book value. Why not keep buying? I like the stock.
Okay, I got two quickies for you. One, Boeing. If this MAX situation extends out through 2020, what does it mean to the stock?
I think the stock can lose a little bit, but there's a buyer of Boeing underneath. I've got to tell you, Andrew, I don't know who the buyers are. They never stop. They obviously are just such bulls. The only thing that really does help here is that American seems to benefit because Southwest has more MAX. And if American keeps saying we're not going to fly the MAX, then Southwest keeps losing. But I've got to tell you, if I could find that buyer of Boeing, I would say, why don't you just walk away and see where it goes?
Okay, last one for you. I don't know if there's a stock to play here, but, you know, I don't know if you saw Peter Thiel going after Google or going after Alphabet over the weekend. It's sort of remarkable.
Treason?
He's effectively suggesting that there's moles, security moles inside the company that are sending stuff to China.
You know, I have to go to Wilf because it's kind of like MI5, MI6. I mean, are there people, Wilf? Is Philbrick there? I need to know, Wilf, who do they have? What fifth column do they have and compare this to Britain?
I have no idea, Jim, and similar to your point, I don't know where the word treason's. He's got to come and back it up. He's got to come out and show why he's gone as far as using that word.
None dare call this treason.
I don't know. We'll have to wait and see.
All right.
Jim, last question here. Gilead, what did you make of the deal? I don't know if you caught our interview with Dan O'Day.
I thought you guys asked all the right question. They've got the whole the burning in the pocket with the money. But I like what Galapagos has. This is a strategy that they have to do because the Gilead, that as we know it, is a wasting asset. I do think that Galapagos, if they do have the RA drug that people think, if they do have that something osteoporosis. Look, here's my big problem with Gilead. You still have no reason to buy Gilead other than on the come someday. I prefer what Glaxo's doing today with ovarian cancer and what they've come up with Tesaro. I think that that's a better do and much more important, and Glaxo's going to be working.
Okay, final question. Are you buying anything on this Amazon Prime Day or 2 days, shall I say? And
everybody's been buying Amazon. Every trader is long. So if they don't just say, listen, we've done more business than Walmart's going to do this year, that stock sells off midweek.
Oh, you want to know what Jim is actually going to purchase?
But I also want to know if he's going to. Yeah, I want to know if he's going to get a discount. Yes.
Oh yeah, my daughter's going to Spain for a year.
Okay.
And I'm going to go visit her. She's going to teach third grade English. So I've got to read up on everything Franco. And I'm not talking not just homage to Catalonia. I got to learn Spain.
Is that paperback, hardback, or Kindle for you?
You know, I'm a paperback because I'm a beach reader, Andrew. Very important. I'm a beach reader, big time.
Okay.
Only way to keep those people away from me so I can just focus.
Okay. I may get you a Kindle and a Ziploc bag for the beach. You see people do that?
I'll take that.
Yeah.
I think that's what I've needed. I've been worried about the sand effect all along.
You know you can just not drop it in the sea.
You can just not drop it in the sea, but I know people who have the Ziploc bag in the... Anyway, okay, Jim, great to see you. We'll see you more.
I need Wilf to identify who is the British intelligence double agent in Google. Get that for me. They have a big European business.
And we'll get you an answer.
I know you can get this.
Hey,
You've
Jim,
got sources.
By the way, over/under on Wilbur Ross. Is he in the job in September?
Well, yeah. How long has that Acosta been there? The labor... Oh, no, he's gone. Once you've been leaked, you're gone. I'm watching the e-cig doc, by the way. I have my own version of Juul. I think when you kill people with something, I don't know, I'd sticker it. I'm against killing people. I don't know. You guys may differ.
Carl's got that great documentary. It's on tonight at 10 o'clock Eastern.
Either or on killing?
Kramer at 9.
The con? I don't know. Remember, some people said, listen, we got to find out the positives in death. I'm still struggling.